Are you looking for the best laptops for programming? In this video, we will look at some of the 9 best laptops on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Apple MacBook Air. Not just the best laptop Apple has created, the MacBook Air is hands down the best laptop you can buy if you work in programming and AMP coding. Packed with a revolutionary ARM-based M1 chip from Apple that powers it, the MacBook Air is a thin, lightweight laptop that offers great performance for coding and AMP, other creative jobs in 4K and over 11 hours of battery life on a single charge. While many Apple products reach the high end of most consumers' budgets, the price of the MacBook Air is relative to many other options on our list. However, the ability to not only use Mac apps but also iOS apps for iPhone and iPad make this laptop a game changer. Even if you've only owned Windows laptops before, the MacBook Air from Apple is worth jumping to Mac OS. Also, see our post on the best MacBook Air accessories and best MacBook monitors to go with your new laptop. You'll most likely want to get an external hard drive as well. At number 2. LG Gram 17. With a housing made from a magnesium carbon alloy, the LG Gram easily lives up to the manufacturer's tagline of life's good. While many people would assume that any laptop with a 17-inch is both heavy and quite large, the Gram 17 bucks the trend, weighing in at just under 3 pounds. The gorgeous IPS-W XGA screen is the icing on the cake with a Core i7 processor, 16 GB of memory, and an SSD with 512 GB. This laptop has an aspect ratio of 16:10 to enhance productivity by viewing information on the screen. It has a heavy-duty battery with 73 Wh which stay up to 19.5 hours even if you work continuously. More than enough horsepower to handle any integrated development environment. At number 3. Asus Chromebook Flip. Running Chrome OS, which is a super lightweight OS based on the web browser of the same name, the Asus Flip is one of the best Chromebooks you can buy today. The high-quality build along with the components and affordable price cements its place on our list. If you're into web development, while the Chrome OS doesn't make many strong programming tools available, it is still one of the best laptops available for your programming needs, with a gorgeous screen and the ability to use it as a tablet. At number 4. Lenovo ThinkPad P1. When people think of the term professional grade, the first image that can come to mind is a big, bulky computer that you have to be stuck at a desk to use efficiently. That's not the case with the ThinkPad P1 from Lenovo. With its slim design, the amount of power packed inside it is enough to impress anyone. The P1 is the only programming laptop that offers a professional-grade Xeon processor that has up to 6 cores along with an NVIDIA Quadro P2000 graphics card and 64 GB of memory. Easily upgradable to 4 TB of SSD storage for all of your important files. The design of the keyboard is excellent, like many other Lenovo laptops. The overall design is built to survive the light knocks, thanks in part to its semi-rugged casing. This is definitely one professional-grade laptop that deserves your attention. At number 5. Microsoft Surface Pro 6. Sometimes, carrying around a laptop, no matter how light it is, can still be bothersome, and those looking for a better option may want to consider the Surface Pro 6 from Microsoft. Doubling as a tablet and laptop, the Surface Pro has a quad-core processor, large amounts of RAM which will let you code anywhere you can find a good table to sit at. The lightweight laptop also consists of sensors such as an ambient light sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope. It has a great battery life with 13.5 hours of video playback. Just remember that this tablet doesn't come with the type cover, so you will have to pay a little extra for that. It's a lot easier to do programming with a keyboard than with a touchscreen. At number 6. Google Pixelbook. When Google first introduced the Chromebook, it was to offer consumers an affordable and reliable laptop compared to the others on the market. While there are iterations of the Chromebook that are great for programming, the Pixelbook was designed to compete with the Apple of the laptop world. Supporting Google's Android Studio development tools, the Chrome OS is on par with any standard Windows laptop. It is also going through a beta phase for Linux support as well. With a choice of either 8 or 16 GB of RAM, up to a 512 GB SSD and a dual-core Intel Core i7, the Pixelbook has the specs that you are looking for when programming. And when you're not in full programming mode, the Pixelbook folds down into a tablet which is used in conjunction with a stylus. While it may not have the foothold the bigger companies do, the Pixelbook from Google has certainly put them on notice. At number 7. Asus Zenbook UX430. Coders and programmers tend to have a negative stereotype of someone who is tied to a desk all day and night in a dark office or bedroom. That stigma does not apply at all these days, as many regard programming to be a very social profession, whether working as part of a team or leading a group to accomplish an important goal. With the Zenbook UX430 from Asus, the lightweight, slim design and portability make it an excellent choice for those who are going to spend a lot of time going from one conference room to another. With storage options for 128 to 512 GB and RAM from 4 to 16 GB, it can be hard to believe that the Intel Core i7 powered laptop weighs under 3 pounds. At number 8. Razer Blade 15. Razer Blade is a great choice for users who want to play video games and also work with coding or programming. The laptop comes with a display of 15.6 inches and is capable of competitive gaming due to ultra-fast 240 QHD and 4K clarity. The laptop is lightweight, thin, and portable. The laptop can produce stunning visuals and ray-traced graphics due to the graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. In addition to these, the laptop has wireless connectivity like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You can easily run multiple tasks and high-end games with vapor chamber cooling technology. At number 9. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4. Microsoft Surface Laptop 4 is a great choice for programmers who prefer Windows 10. The laptop is capable of multitasking due to the processor, which is the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. With a decent battery, it also entertains well with dual far-field studio mics. Due to these mics, the laptop can reduce the background noise and can record your voice. As it is a thin and lightweight laptop, it has an impressive design and a display of 13.5 inches. You can also use the laptop for split-screen multitasking purposes.